Hello, hello. I'm Yvonne, but everybody knows me as Angel. Well, folks, my angels, welcome to the first video of 2024. I'm continuing on my little travel through the international cuisines, and this recipe hails from Spain. I'm getting it from my textbook, the International Cuisine textbook from culinary school, but I made a slight change on the chili peppers. Enjoy this video, and I will talk to you later. Now the recipe called for small, dry, red chili, arbol, A-R-B-O-L, and they asked for it to be crumbled, but I couldn't find any in the supermarket. So here I'm substituting red pepper flakes. You know, I enjoy making anything that has to do with seafood. If you didn't know, I'm a pescatarian. And I started this about 5 years ago, maybe a little bit more than that. I'm in my 60s, I'm 67, and I realized at that time that I needed to do something to keep my body going. I have a feeling I'm going to live into my 80s if I follow my grandmother's example. So I know I needed to do something to keep my body strong, to keep it healthy. This is a temple of God. This is God's temple. It's not mine. I'm here for a reason. I'm here to do His work, to do His mission. I know I need to be respectful of this body. I know I need to take care of this body. So that's what I've been doing. I've been eating a pescatarian diet, eating seafood, whole food, plant-based foods, and trying to get into my body, you know, the things that I know that is healthy to keep me strong, to keep me going. Sure, every once in a while I'll treat myself, but I understand, like I said, this body is a temple of God, and I need to treat it as such. And so I need to, for the most part, treat it well, put in what I need to put in it, and make sure that it's ready to do the work that I need to do while I'm still here on this earth. See, here I'm using a lot of red pepper flakes, but if you have an issue with heat, just use a pinch of it to begin with, and then you can always add some later. For me, as I learned as I'm growing older, my body doesn't take the heat or spicy food as well as it did when I was younger, say in my 40s or 50s. So I've had to cut back. But here, for me, I just dumped in the whole container, and I think I paid for it later. At this point, everything started to smell so good, so fragrant. I couldn't wait until I finished so I can get a good taste of it. Hey, if you're one of my subscribers, make sure you've hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I have any new videos. As a matter of fact, there's different ways that you can be notified. Just make sure you check the type of ways that you would like to be notified. If you aren't one of my subscribers, please make sure that you subscribe. And everyone, please like, leave a comment, and share. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. This smells so good, looks so good, and it tasted so good as well. Now, the original recipe was for a serving of 4, but I cut everything in half since it's only me, so it can be just a serving for 2 and I can have some leftovers. Here you see me spooning the pan drippings on the sliced bread. That made it taste so good. So I would put most of it on the bread and just a little bit on the shrimp. Here it is, the sizzling garlic shrimp from Spain. If you enjoyed this video and the recipe, what I'll do is leave a link to the recipe in my description box. Also, I would suggest if you want to treat yourself, please try different sizes of shrimp. I'm using the large. You can try the extra large or the jumbo. Treat yourself. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. Please give me a like, share this video, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And as always, please be the blessing to someone. Help someone out today. Please show your love for humankind. And as always in parting, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. I will see you next time.